I am very scared to post this video. What's up guys? So I'm back for another sit down video, but instead of vending, you guys actually chose on a poll for me to expose my YouTube income, and I made sure that I put in the poll question exposing my sad truth of YouTube income. I've been on YouTube for a while. I've been through makeup videos, DIY videos, skit videos. I've done it all because I've been up here. YouTube has been my passion for a long time, and I also did fashion videos, and I started to sway into travel videos and then to creating your own income, which led me into the vending community. And I thank you guys so much for following me up there, you know, creating your own stream of income and not just relying on your 9-to-5 job. So I'm here to tell you that not every person on YouTube that you see makes a lot of money. So I want to show you guys how much I made for a viral video. Here we are on my viral video. I reached 548,000 views for this video. I know most of my audience are guys, so you're probably not interested in the video title. Lifetime analytic on my 500,000 viewed video was $82 and the CPM was $3. I have really stopped making money on this. The longer your video is posted, the less money that you will make on it, even though I'm still getting views and comments on this video. Your content matters. Highest paying content on YouTube that I know of is Amazon FBA, which is making money on Amazon. YouTube Money, so teaching people about their analytics, how much money they make on YouTube, and teaching people about how to open up a YouTube channel makes a lot of money. Videos about money, how to make passive income, how to make money, how to have a business, how to open a business, how to grow a business. Anything related to money, how-tos, and building wealth does very well on YouTube. And of course, vending videos do extremely well because it is about creating your own income on YouTube. It's my second highest rated video, which was 293,000 views. As you can see, I was a story time teller, so I told stories on YouTube, and YouTube has put the crackdown on that. YouTubers who do story times, unless it's appropriate, will probably get their videos demonetized, or the CPM rate is just not it. I made $37 off of this video, and it was posted in 2015, and I only made $37 for a 200,000 viewed video. As you can see, the CPM is $4.59, and I'm very, very surprised that this one is actually still monetized, because as you can see, the title and the picture, it is almost one of those videos that YouTube will not push onto the homepage because of the content. I want to show you guys my CPM for my vending videos versus my storytime videos. It's going to be drastically different. My CPM is $12.86 for every 1,000 view. I've only made $9 on it because I just posted it. We're going to do the real cost of starting a vending machine business. $21.51 is my CPM. So I'm going to make $20 for every 1,000 view, supposedly, on this YouTube video alone. And I've currently made $30 off of it. No, it's not a lot of money. I'm not HOWMUCHMONEYYOUTUBEPAYS that you guys know in the vending community. I'm not these makeup gurus. I am now just picking up on making money again on YouTube, and I'm going to keep at it. I'm going to be optimistic. Again, this is a very embarrassing video to make because so many people think that my content, my subscribers, and some of the views I get would mean that I'm making a lot of money, but YouTube has changed its rules, which is going into my second point. Is the new YouTube rules was that you could no longer cuss in your videos, you could no longer talk about adult censored content, which I was doing before. I was talking a lot about my experiences, you know, with adult content, not online videos of adult content, but my experiences with my ex-boyfriends, you know, them cheating on me, the things I've seen them do, those no longer make money, and YouTube will not monetize them. I actually can show you guys all the videos that are demonetized on my channel, and the ones that are demonetized are the highest viewed videos. Also, do not put your channel as for kids, because YouTube will take your CPM, take your revenue, and also take off your comments on your videos. And your comments you need, because it helps push you through the algorithm of YouTube. So comment down below if you guys want to help me get to 50,000 subscribers, or comment down below if you want to start a YouTube channel. Get the conversation going. It really does help out your favorite YouTubers. That is my goal for 2020, is 50,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, you guys. Give a video a like. Likes and comments and views really do help. So that's why you see a lot of people creating Patreons, is because YouTube only favors a certain content now. Money-based, business-based, makeup-based, maybe family vlogs, but even those are going to be cracked down on if they have kids in it. If you have kids in your video, or you're a child below the age of 13, YouTube doesn't want to pay you anymore, and they don't want to push you through the algorithm. So don't make content for kids. How much money I have made right now, or I am making right now, because you guys are subscribing to me, because you guys are showing me so much support, and I really appreciate it. YouTube and vending and having passive income and creating my own business has always been a dream of mine, and it means so much when you guys push me, encourage me, and just view my videos. I really appreciate that. So no, I'm not making a lot of money right now. The more subscribers you have does not mean you're going to make money, because if your audience isn't viewing your videos, you're not going to get paid. You want your subscribers to turn into views on your channel. So for the month of December, I have made $132. It fluctuates here and there. I'm still waiting on January, so we can actually look at that. Let's go to analytics again, and we're gonna go to revenue. My YouTube channel CPM, average CPM rate is $15.67. Again, your CPM is very important. Depending on what type of videos you have, the higher your CPM is, and you guys have seen my previous CPMs were very low, but for vending and business related videos, it's very high. For the month of January, just started, I kind of skipped out on a video for January. I have made $37, December was $149, and November was $76. You don't get paid until you hit $100 a month on YouTube, so that $76 is going to carry over into December into my paycheck, so I might be getting like $200 or something dollars. I am optimistic. I am reigniting my YouTube passion. I did stop for a little while because YouTube was deleting subscribers from YouTubers who were not in the algorithm that they preferred. So I was constantly losing subscribers. I wasn't gaining any. YouTube was deleting them every time I uploaded a video, and it was discouraging. And I just happened to say, whatever, I'm just gonna post that I made a business, and it grew from there. And I'm not gonna stop. I really hope that you guys are along for the ride and that you will appreciate this video. If you want to make a YouTube channel, keep in mind the content you create. Keep in mind what you say in your videos. If you're talking about things that are related for a mature audience, you will be demonetized. So let's check out the videos that are demonetized on my channel. Going to not monetized. Ooh, ineligible. So some of them are very low rated videos, but one video has 30,000 views on it. This was when I was modeling. I was getting a lot of views on my modeling videos. My 100,000 one age restricted was when I was talking. I did do a lot of clickbait in my titles and my pictures, okay? That's how YouTube was back then. To clickbait, I knew the clickbait to get people to click on my videos, so I did it, and I was getting a lot of views, but then YouTube crashed and burned when they changed their policy. So some of my highest rated videos were the most provocative, and they got demonetized when YouTube started going through their legal problems. So 100,000, 123,000, 104,000 views, 13,000 views, all demonetized is because of copyright claim, age restricted, or just not appropriate, YouTube would say. So I was losing out on a lot of money. I mean, I was being paid before, you guys. I was happy with the paycheck I was getting before YouTube did this, but it all stopped for so long. All the paychecks stopped because YouTube was basically shadow banning me. I am exposing myself. This really hurts my pride. It hits the ego to show people that you are not where you should be with the amount of subscribers you have, or the amount of views you have, or where you used to be. So I am building myself up every single day, every week, to make this into a success. You guys have been great. I am very vulnerable right now. This is not a video that you see. Most YouTubers make this video when they are successful. They want to show you how much money they make. They make a lot of money. And it's good to see. People like to see money. But people rarely ever show you the dark side of YouTube. They rarely ever show you if they are not making money, or how much money they're really making if they're not making a lot. And I want to be the first one to show you that it isn't all rainbows and roses when you get views. It isn't all rainbows and roses when you get subscribers. You have to make the right content. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a thumbs up to encourage my bravery for this video. Also subscribe, it really does help out. And comment down below, do you want to start a YouTube channel? Have you started a YouTube channel? And thanks again, you guys. Please make me feel better in the comment section. Hopefully I will reach my 50,000 subscriber goal. I'm putting it out into the atmosphere. I'm being positive. I'm sending out good vibes, and I'm telling what I am going to reach my goal, because I believe in myself. So I hope you guys believe in me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.